Want to unlock your Netgear Nighthawk MR7400 from AT&T? Or fix one that's bricked or has a bad IMEI? You're in the right place. Everything starts at techunlockhub.com. At Tech Unlock Hub, there are two services for the MR7400. Remote Unlock, to free it from AT&T so you can use it on another network, and Device Repair, if your device is dead, stuck, or showing no service because of a bad IMEI. Pick the one that matches your problem. Let's start with unlocking. You simply order the Remote Unlock service with your IMEI, and a technician unlocks your device for you. Depending on your MR7400, they'll either send you an unlock code to enter or run the unlock with software remotely, whichever your device needs. Most orders are done in as little as 1 to 30 minutes. To order, head to techunlockhub.com, type your IMEI into the box, and choose Remote Unlock Netgear Router from the list. Fill in your details and complete the payment. If your device unlocks with a code, you'll get an email titled Order Completed with your unlock code ready to use. Keep that code handy. You'll need it in the next step. Now connect your computer or phone to the MR7400's Wi-Fi, open your browser, and go to 192.168.1.1. Sign in with the admin password, then head to Settings, Security, and SIM Security. When the device locked box appears, click Enter Unlock Code. Type in your code and hit Save. That's it! Your MR7400 is unlocked. Now, what if your device won't even turn on, is stuck on the logo, or shows no service because of a blacklisted or null IMEI? That's where device repair comes in. Just enter your IMEI, choose the Netgear MR7400 repair service, and our technician brings it back to life remotely, usually in 1 to 30 minutes. Once it's unlocked, pop in a SIM from another network. Here we're using a Vodafone Ghana SIM, and you're straight online. Whether you need to unlock it or repair it, Tech Unlock Hub has your MR7400 covered. So if this helped you out, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give the video a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.